Hi, in front of me I have Amazfit T Rex 2 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications from this watch. Before we start, if you want to uninstall applications from this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue and open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, select your T Rex 2 from the list of devices, and on this page, tap on the App Store option. Here we have the list of applications we can install. But if you tap on the Management, right here in the top right corner, it will open the list of apps that you already have installed on your watch. And if you want to uninstall some applications, simply find it on the list, tap on the Delete button, and tap on OK to remove it from your watch. So when I open the menu on our watch, the icon for the app should be gone. As you can see, it's gone from this menu. This means that the app was uninstalled from our watch. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.